Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. So your girl is coming here just to taste some meatballs with y'all. Okay? Oh, and last night's garlic. Yeah. Since I'm trying to unbig my back, I only got I'm only tasting 4 meatballs. They come from a daycare. It was a daycare lunch or whatever that my daughter brought home. And I'm about to taste it, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what it's giving. It's a turkey meatball. Let's see. Oh, and you know what I put on it? Hold on. I put vegan style Parmesan style vegan cheese. You know, the cheese, grated cheese, but vegan. Let's see what it's giving. Because you know when I do my spaghetti and meatballs, I haven't really did spaghetti in a long time. But when I do, your girl gonna put garlic, everything, all my herbs. I can't give y'all everything, but let's taste. See? Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's do it with the garlic knot. I stole it from my daughter. She had pizza last night. Put a little sauce on it. Need a little garlic on it, but it's good. I'm recording. I stole one of your garlic knots. So yeah, see? It's good. Just need a little garlic. Her garlic knot. She looking at me crazy because I took it from her. Dipped in this sauce. It's all right. That's just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. Like my daughter say, not too much. So yeah, y'all. Beggars can't be choosy. It's a free meatball. And I ain't have to cook it. Stop being delulu. Oh, let me show y'all what I'm drinking. Wawa. Wawa is everything. And if you're a teacher, you get Wawa free. All month of September. Yeah. It's basic. Y'all, I do not like the inside of bread. Inside of these things are big. I told my daughter, it's good with the meatball though. I'm just giving base. So, thanks for watching. Peace.